I'm Dr. Matt. Today I am going to attempt to explain chiropractic to you in under 5 minutes. I am not only a chiropractor myself, I'm also a chiropractic patient, and I'm also a huge fan of chiropractic. Okay, it's very simple, yet super powerful. Here we go. Truth number one is that your body is self-healing, and this is very evident. If you've ever cut yourself and taken care of that cut, it heals on its own. If you've ever gotten a fever and left it alone, it goes away on its own. If you've ever gotten a bruise, it goes away on its own. Your body is self-healing. There's no doubt about that. Nobody would even argue with that. Okay? The other cool thing, truth number two, is that your body is self-regulating. That means it regulates itself. You don't have to worry about increasing your blood pressure. You don't have to worry about keeping your heart beating at night. You don't have to worry about filtering water. It all happens on its own. It's a beautiful thing, an amazing thing. Our default system for our body is actually health. It's pretty cool. Truth number three is that your nervous system controls everything in your body. So the body is self-healing, the body is self-regulating, but that's all controlled by your nervous system. Your nervous system controls and coordinates every function in your body. Okay? That means that interference in your nervous system is necessarily bad. I work with a condition here at my office called subluxation. And subluxation, by definition, is nervous system interference. And so by definition, those subluxations interfere with your body's ability to heal itself and regulate itself, and your ability to be as healthy as you possibly can. Now, I want to caution you that philosophically, just because you can define something doesn't mean it actually exists. It doesn't mean it's actually there. So just because I can define subluxation as nervous system interference doesn't mean it actually is. So that's why we invested several $1,000s in some space-age technology to give us some scans to be able to objectively see, yes, there is nervous system interference, or no, there is not. I'll give you an example of what I mean. Here is a scan that we did of a young lady. A lot of you guys have had this scan done. And this is showing quite a bit of nervous system interference because red is severe interference. So her brain, trying to communicate with her body, that nervous system is being interfered with. So her body is definitely not healing as well as it can. It's definitely not regulating itself as well as it can. So she's suffering from several symptoms, okay? Because her nervous system isn't functioning well. And this scan was taken, she's suffering from migraines, low back pain, low energy, and a couple other things, okay? The good news is, truth number 5, which is that chiropractic adjustments remove nerve interference. That means that your body's going to have the best chance it possibly can to heal itself and to regulate itself, and you'll be optimally healthy. Let me give you another example. So the young lady with nerve interference, severe nerve interference throughout her spine, body's not functioning well, she's not feeling very well. We treated her, we removed that nerve interference, and her scan looked like that. Okay? A side effect of her nervous system functioning better was that her symptoms went away. What I really care about is that she's functioning optimally. So now you guys know a little bit more about what your scans are all about. Now you know why I'm such a big fan of chiropractic, and now you know why it's so foundational to your health. Thanks. We'll see you in the next video.